In this video, we'll show you how to configure your account in Thunderbird with the Bridge app. If you get stuck at any step, you can also refer to the instructions below this video. We recommend opening Thunderbird on one side of your screen and the Bridge app on another. First, you'll need to log into your ProtonMail account in the Bridge app. Click on the Add Account button, enter your username and password, and click Next. Now your account will be displayed in the Bridge app. Next, you'll start configuring it with Thunderbird. Start by clicking on your account username in the Bridge app to extend the option list, and select Mailbox Configuration. A pop-up window will appear where the IMAP SMTP information is displayed. You'll need to enter this information in the email client while setting up your account. Now open Thunderbird, select Tools from the top menu, and select Account Settings. Click on the Account Actions button and select Add Mail Account. You can now copy the information from the Bridge app into Thunderbird. Select your username in the Bridge and paste it into the email address field in Thunderbird. Do the same with your password and then click on Continue. Thunderbird will look up the required information for your account. When this is done, click on the Done button. You'll be prompted to confirm the security exception for your device. Since the Bridge app operates on localhost, this is expected. Your account is now starting to load in Thunderbird. We're now going to configure some additional settings from Thunderbird in order for the account to work properly. Select Tools again from the top menu and select Account Settings. Select your account from the left side, click on Server Settings, and adjust the option to check for new messages from 10 minutes to 1 minute. After you make these adjustments, your account is ready to use in Thunderbird.